I am excited to share with you a comparison of the most popular social media platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. One of my audience asked me a striking question: which new social media followers, even new creators, do ask? He asks, please, can you analyze which of the social media platform is the best? Maybe this guy wants to know which platform to invest most of his time and the resources. I am excited to share with you a comparison of the most popular social media platforms: Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. At the end, I will tell you which among them I think is the best. So hang on to the end. Let's dive in. Facebook. Facebook is the pioneer of the modern social networking with over 2.9 billion monthly active users. Facebook is perfect for staying connected with friends and family, joining communities, and even manage businesses. Its extensive features like marketplace and events makes it a versatile platform. However, its user base is aging, making it less attractive to the younger audiences. Twitter. Twitter, now branded as X, is the platform for real-time conversations, from breaking news to viral memes. It is a hub for debates, updates, and the trends. It's especially popular among professional journalists and the public figures. However, its text-heavy nature might not appeal to those who prefer visual contents. YouTube. YouTube is the ultimate platform for long-form video content, from tutorial and reviews to entertainment and vlogs. It caters to every interest. Creators can monetize content through advertisements, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. It is less interactive when compared to other platforms, but its depth of content is unmatched. Instagram. Instagram is the go-to platform for visual storytelling, known for its stunning photos, short videos, and interactive stories. It is ideal for creative individuals and businesses aiming to engage visually. With Reels, Instagram compares fiercely with TikTok. But remember, the algorithm can be tricky for organic growth. TikTok. TikTok has taken the world by storm, especially its short, engaging videos and the trend-driven culture. It is a hub for creativity and entertainment, especially for Gen Z and millennials. TikTok algorithm is a game changer, making content discovery incredibly personalized, but it focuses on short attention spans might not suit everyone. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the king of professional networking. Whether you are job hunting, sharing industrial insights, or building connections, LinkedIn is a place to be. It's less about entertainment and more about career, making it ideal for professionals, but less appealing for casual users. In conclusion, every platform shines in its own unique ways. Facebook for connection, Instagram for visuals, TikTok for trends, Twitter for updates, LinkedIn for careers, and YouTube for long form video contents. But if I must choose, I must go for YouTube for these following reasons. Leave a comment on the platform which you prefer and also give your reasons. These are my reasons for choosing YouTube as the best social platform. Reason number one, wide reach and the global audience. YouTube is one of the largest social media platforms with about 2.73 billion monthly active users, making it ideal for reaching a diverse and extensive audience. Reason number two, video-centric content. YouTube is more engaging and memorable than text and image. And YouTube excels in delivering high-quality video content. Reason number three, monetization opportunity. Creators can monetize their contents through advertisements, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales, making it an attractive platform for content creators, influencers, and businesses. Reason number four, educational and informative content. A vast library of tutorial, how-to videos, and educational research, making YouTube a go-to platform for learning. Reason number five, community building. Content can foster communities through subscription, comments, and live videos, promoting interaction and engagement. Reason number six, analytics and insights. YouTube offers a detailed analytics for creators about their audience, optimize content, and measure success. Reason number seven, cross promotion and the marketing. Businesses can use YouTube for broad promotions, linking to other social media platforms and websites for increased visibility. Reason number eight, accessibility. With multi-language support, subtitles, and mobile accessibility, YouTube caters to a broad range of users. Reason number 9, entertainment value. YouTube offers endless entertainment options, including music, vlogs, gaming, and lifestyle content, appealing to all age groups.